Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I believe you are all doing great and keeping safe out there. Today on our menu we have Gari, and we all know Gari is staple and popular in our Ghanaian homes. So I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to make your own Gari from the comfort of your home. All you need is cassava, okay? So now our cassava is here. I'm going to peel off the skin and then we continue from there, all right? We are all done and I've washed my cassava nicely. It's now time for us to grate it, okay? And I'm using the smallest part of the grater to do this. You can as well use your knife to cut it into pieces and then blend it. I love the texture, it's so nice. It's not that smooth though, but it's nice. You can see it has small particles. That's what I'm looking for. Hello lovely people, go nowhere because we are almost at the end of this video. All right, you'll be amazed how easy it is to make your own Gari from scratch at the comfort of your home. Now I'm going to put the fiber or the residue in a cotton cloth, and then we will leave it for it to ferment for 2 to 3 days maximum. It shouldn't exceed 3 days because you will do the most. You will let it ferment and then the taste will be sour, okay? So at least 3 days should be fine. We are going to cover it up nicely with a cling film and then leave it for it to ferment for a day, 2, or I said maximum 3 days. So we are back after 2 days and we've already squeezed some of the water out. But we still need to squeeze more of the water out to get it dried. You need the dried particles, okay? So I'm going to do it in portions, little by little, bit by bit. So I'm going to take some of the residue, put it in the cotton cloth, and then squeeze the water out. I need about 99.9999% of the water out, okay? So that's what I'm just doing. Can you see that? Yeah. Yeah, so I'll do this till I finish all of it. So far, if you are enjoying this video, give your girl a big thumbs up, comment, share, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be also interested in my recipes. And hello there, if you are new on my channel, you are warmly welcome. I want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on the red subscribe button. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to get more updates from me. Good job, we are all done squeezing the water out of the residue, and we are going to the next step. And right here at the next step, we need a tray and then a sifter to separate the clumps from the uniform particles, okay? So we're going to take one of the balls and then just like this, we separate the clumps from the uniform particles. We will do this until we are done with all of the residue. It looks so fine and beautiful. We are almost there, so go nowhere. It's that simple and easy to make your own Gari from scratch at the comfort of your home. So keep watching, okay? Keep watching, and I hope you are inspired. Whilst you are setting it, don't forget to also spread and separate it for the air to also dry it some more. It looks so fine and so beautiful. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Keep spreading it and separating it like I said before for the air to also dry it some more. We are now at the final stage where we're going to see our cassava residue or fiber turn into gari. That's so amazing. So just keep stirring, and make sure your heat is on the low side so that you don't burn your gari. Keep stir frying till it's dry and brittle. Just like that, we've made our gari, homemade gari. So you keep doing this until you are done with all of your cassava residue. Gari is done nicely and beautifully at home. Smells so good. The next batch, look at that. Again, you keep stirring, stir fry till it's dry and brittle. So if you want your gari to be yellow, all you need to do is to sprinkle some palm oil on it and you get just that. We are done frying our gari, but we still have some clumps or lumps in it. So right now we're using our sifter to separate the lumps or the clumps from the uniform particles. Okay? Just shake it, use your hand to shake it like that, and all the fine particles will fall on the plate. And you will still not be done yet. You will still have to grind the lumps or the clumps until it's also nice, and then we add it to these uniform particles. And we all know that gari can be used for a lot of things in our homes. So keep watching and I'll show you some few pictures of what I use the gari for. Alright? It smells so good, guys. Wow, I'm impressed. And just like that, our homemade gari is done. So I used some of the gari from my gari and beans, wache, gari photo, and it was so amazing. Check them all out. They are playing on my channel right now. Thank you all for watching till the end, and I hope you are inspired. See you all again in my next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Mwah.